So, the master of special sounds. I don't know what any of that means because Beatbox is all special sounds. I'm optimistic. Can't see it. It's hidden inside me and my soul. My optimism. It's like, I don't know, like maybe by a glute. It's tucked in by a glute, but I'm optimistic. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Soso from Japan. This is my... Sorry. Hello?
Hey, I fucked up my intro, he fucked up his intro. We're like brothers already.
Hello, my name is Soso from Japan. This is big shout out to Swiss Beatbox.
Those overtones are kind of awesome. The simplistic way of thinking about that is when you say like a single note, ba, and you hold the note. The note doesn't change, but you just change your mouth to change the timbre of the note. Ow, wow, wow. But he has some other shit going on in there. That's actually kind of interesting. Oh, by the way, the cat abandoned me. She's over by the printer. Double voice? Okay, I think I'm officially into Beatbox now because as far as listening to the track, I don't know. It's probably not that good. But just how difficult it is. I'm thinking more now again. This is the opposite of old me. Old me was only about listenability. And I don't want to say it's new me. It's new me in this video. I'm like, oh, that's hard as fuck what he's doing. I don't think I like listening to it, but it's really hard.
Let me break.
Make sure his volume's up. What the fuck? Did he just call vultures? What just happened?
Thank you.
I feel like I understand most of those sounds, except for the one where it went, but he did it with like some weird part of his voice. What the fuck? I really have no idea how that works. I'm already looking in the future. I'm imagining someone's going to put in the comments of the video, here's a video explaining how that works, and then I'm never going to watch that video, and I'm going to watch a video like this 3 months from now and not also know how it works then. I think it's a good title, Master of Special Sounds. It was not like master of creating a track that you like to hear. It's just a master of special. It fucking says it. Master of Special Sounds. Oh, look who's fucking coming to grace us with her presence. What's up, cat? How are you doing? You took the long way around. That's impressive. Oh, no, don't run. Meow. Ah, meow. Oh, yeah, you don't want to be caught on camera, but you're here. Oh, careful, you're gonna fall. You're like not tiny enough for that. Chill out. I fed you twice. Are you here for thirds? Here for third meal? Meow. No! Here, you're fucking getting famous, bitch. Do not cut me. Don't cut me. Hey, you do not cut me. I'll put you on this side. Now, can you fucking calm down for a second? Good. Take a breath. Okay? Look, there's no enemies here. I would not stare at the beat. What did I do? I'm just saying, don't look at the beatboxer so hard. Okay? Fucking chill out. We can get you what you want. Don't cut yourself. Don't hurt yourself. It's okay. I'm gonna blow in her face. Yeah, that was me. I did that. I'll do it again. I love how you go from like a complete terrorist to like, oh, I guess I'll just stay here. I guess I could just, ride this arm roller coaster wherever it may take me. If you have anything to say to the people, there's a mic here if you want to say it to them. No? Oh, what? What? What now? You aren't actually mad. You are made out of claws and anger. If you were mad, you would just leave. Okay, I guess this reaction is finished. What? What? What are you so angry about? I hate that my life is so easy and people just give me food and do whatever I want. It makes me so mad. That's you. That's my impression of you. Look, she's just sitting here. Look, just waiting. She's like, well, whenever I get what I want, I'll just wait for that. Oh, say it again. How mad are you? Fine, let's go. Calm thyself. All right, I'll give you some more snacks. Let's go.